This is my first video for Fashion Fix. In today's video, I'm unboxing the Gucci belt that I got in the Gucci store in King Street, Perth, Australia. I will insert a picture of me trying it on in the store. I went into the Gucci store and a sales assistant saw me looking at the belts and asked if I wanted to try it on. So I tried it on and fell instantly in love with it. I went back the next day and bought the belt. It was my first ever luxury purchase, and I was so excited and happy that I almost burst. Size of the belt was the 75cm length, and buckle GG size was medium, not small or large. Store experience. Customer service was excellent and welcoming. The consultant helped me go through the different belt sizes as well as the different GG buckle sizes. After I purchased the belt, I was offered champagne. Please like, comment and subscribe, and more videos to come.